Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we explore the products that truly make a difference in your beauty routine. If you're someone who loves a subtle, long-lasting flush of color, the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Exposed might just have caught your eye. It's a powder blush designed for a matte finish with buildable coverage, promising up to 12 hours of wear, and it comes from Tarte, a brand known for its focus on skin-friendly formulations. When I first looked at this blush, I was drawn to its Amazonian clay base. For those who aren't familiar, Amazonian clay is celebrated in skincare and cosmetics for its ability to help absorb excess oil, improve wear, and even provide gentle nourishment to the skin. The shade Exposed is a muted mauve, perfect for creating a natural, everyday flush that works on a variety of skin tones. The packaging is sleek, compact, and travel-friendly, which makes it convenient for on-the-go touch-ups. Using it was straightforward and enjoyable. The powder is finely milled, which means it blends effortlessly without looking patchy. I applied it lightly with a blush brush and gradually built up the intensity to suit the look I wanted, soft and natural for daytime or slightly deeper for evening. It feels lightweight on the skin, and I didn't notice any cakiness or dryness, which can sometimes be an issue with matte powders. The staying power is impressive. Even after a full day, the color remained vibrant without fading into an unflattering stripe or patch. I particularly appreciated how forgiving the formula is. For those new to blush application, it's easy to blend and adjust without overdoing it. On the flip side, if you're someone who loves bold, dramatic blush looks, you might need to layer it more deliberately to reach high impact intensity. One of the things that stands out is the balance between quality and usability. The blush feels premium, but isn't prohibitively expensive compared to some high-end competitors. Its performance justifies the price, especially if you're looking for something versatile, durable, and skin-friendly. In comparison to other powder blushes I've tested, it offers a smoother application and longer-lasting wear, thanks to the Amazonian clay base. Other powders sometimes fade or shift throughout the day, but this one truly lives up to the 12-hour promise under normal conditions. The build quality is solid, the compact is sturdy, and feels durable enough to survive being tossed in a makeup bag. Tarte also has a solid reputation for customer support, which adds peace of mind if you ever encounter issues. Since this is a current formulation, there aren't any recent updates affecting performance, so what you see is what you get. If budget is a concern, there are drugstore blushes that offer similar shades, but they typically fall short on longevity and the smooth, skin-like finish that this Tarte blush delivers. So for those prioritizing quality and wear, this is worth the investment. Overall, Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in Exposed delivers on its promises. It's easy to use, flattering on most skin tones, and built to last throughout the day. If you're after a blush that balances a natural look with impressive wear, this is an excellent choice. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, the link to purchase this blush is in the description box below. If you've tried it already, drop a comment and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.